How to do task with Outlier AI. Now, first of all, Outlier AI, this is where, or an actual platform where you can share your knowledge, connect with fellow experts, and get paid on your terms, and as well as your own experience on your expertise. Now, if we were talking about expertise, this is about like coding, basic language skills, editing skills, and so on and so forth. So before you decide to create an account and do tasks with Outlier AI, all I have to do first is to visit their official website and then just directly click on View Opportunities. Now this is all the tasks available on Outlier AI. So all I have to do is just to adjust the location on wherever you want. Say for example, you would like to um, check out the descriptions on a certain task of all the countries available on this platform right here. You also need to change your expertise or your type of task if it's going to be a specialist, coders, generalist, or languages. So if you scroll down, there are tons of kinds of tasks available on this platform. You just got to make sure that uh, the task that you'll be doing is actually basing on your experience or your expertise. Now, if you have chosen the specific task, all I have to do is to create an account first. Now go back to their homepage and click on logged in. Now in logged in, you can either use your Google account or you can check out other opportunities where you can create an account with Outlier AI. So once you have successfully created an account, go back to View Opportunities, click on the task that you would like to do and get paid. That's it. That's how you do tasks with an Outlier AI.